facing difficulty to open your garage door? Then you should take positive action to avoid this complexity immediately. A damaged garage door is a question about the safety of the users. So, don't waste your time thinking about this situation. Contact Adams Garage Doors LLC and get a solution for your garage. They know all possible ways to make sure the garage door to be lifted easily. For details, visit adamsgaragedoors.com or call directly at 703-623-6766 and discuss. And be ready to open and shut the door effortlessly.